Mightychic presents Guaranteed Authentic Signature Chanel Medium Boy Bag. First of all, we present an unboxing of the bag, and then we will start the review. Subscribe to our channel, and press the bell, to be the first to know about new arrivals. Bag, featured in silver leather with python inset. Ruthenium Lego Brick lock. Signature coarse Gourmette chain link handle with padded shoulder strap. Signature interior pockets and Chanel stamp. Serial number on interior. Bag measures. Length 9 4/5 inches or 25 centimeters. Tall 6 inches or 15 centimeters. Deep 3.5 inches or 9 centimeters. Handle tall 20 inches or 51 centimeters. Strap can be worn long as a crossbody, or doubled for a shoulder bag. Mightychic has excelled in customer service for 21 years and provides a discreet online shopping experience for a vast array of luxury European designer selections.